Graphtec presents the Smart Kids Desk. The Smart Kids Desk is an outstanding piece of furniture that offers children the opportunity to discover new ways to have fun, learn new stuff, and even do homework. Our design team has developed a minimalistic concept that has improved ergonomics with a distinctive design language. The countertop is made from Corian, making it easy to clean after each use and very durable in the long run. The material has rounded edges with no seams, making it kids-friendly to use. The smile shape on top of the desk is a smart LED matrix with VU meter function, making Alexa's voice and music feel like magic. 6 emojis can be voice-activated each, making it fun to play with the moods. This way, kids can discover and further explore their emotions. The legs of this desk are made of precision-machined metal having structural stability, and the powder-coated paint makes it scratch-resistant. The interactive desk is integrated with Alexa, allowing it to be voice-activated, controlling 8 channels of LED illumination, offering possibility to automate the room, transforming your kids' room into a glance of the future. Different commands such as sing me a song, let's party, I'm home, read me a story, will make Alexa turn on the desk with different sequences, so it makes it fun and interactive to use.
Alexa, time for homework.
Alright. Activating homework mode.
Alexa, show me the desk.
Okay. Here we have 6 emojis you can control. Smiley, moody, happy, sad, amazed, cool, and here are my legs.
Alexa, tell me a joke.
What do you call an elephant on hockey skates? An icebreaker.
Graphtec. Furniture fits future.